Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. Thank you for your support. Clicking the like button, thinking of somebody to share a video with, commenting, going over to Patreon, somedayfarm.org, clicking the Venmo button and leaving a tip. It's called today's Tàijíquán Tip for a reason, more than one reason. Anyway, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to write a eulogy. Or create a eulogy. Might not be written. Maybe you draw it. Maybe you sculpt it. Maybe you daydream it. So I'll just say write. Seems most likely. But create a eulogy for the founder of your art. Maybe it's the founder of your lineage. Maybe it's the mythic founder, not the historical founder. Maybe it's a mishmash of a few. The idea is not to be scholarly, not even to aim to be comprehensive, but you're writing a eulogy to the founder of your art is going to be different than that founder of the art's eulogy being written by any other human. Because what they created and passed on, however successfully, to you has affected you in particular and unique ways. And you're a particular and unique person, and your expression will be particular and unique. Perhaps that'll be inspiring. Perhaps it'll be challenging. Perhaps it'll be emotional. Perhaps it'll feel like a simple robotic exercise to you. I don't know. But writing a eulogy, creating a eulogy, having those thoughts of the awareness of what somebody endured, what somebody was inspired by, how they passed something on, what the art perhaps has done to you. Sometimes I'll practice my own form as a eulogy for the founder. So as if it's like a performance art, a movement. So I'd like to say have fun with that, but I don't know that it's a fun one. But I do believe it to be important. And speaking of important, you're very important to your teacher. Thank you.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.